Hello friends watching, welcome back our some viewers. In this new video, you have a sequence 2, 6, 18 and we want to find the sixth term. And today I am showing you the two best ways to solve this. First method is the manual way. This method is perfect for short sequences. As you can see, we found that each term is multiplied by 3. This 3 is what we call our common ratio. Since the first term is 2, we can get the second term by multiplying the first term by 3. And the second term is 2 times 3, which equals 6. And the third term is 6 times 3, which equals 18. And the fourth term is 18 times 3, which equals 54. And the fifth term equals 54 times 3, which equals 162. And the sixth term is 162 times 3, which equals 486. And the seventh term is 486 times 3, which equals 1458. And for our problem, we want to get the sixth term, which equals 486. And this is the solution by using the manual method. Let's solve the problem by using the second method, which is called the formula way. We have a geometric sequence and we can use the rule an equals a times r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio and n is the required term. In our problem, the first term a is equal to 2 and the common ratio r is equal to 3 and the required term n is equal to 6. Substituting a, r, and n into the equation, we find that a 6 equals 2 times 3 to the power 6 minus 1, which equals 2 times 3 to the power 5, which equals 486. And this is the solution by using the formula method. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and share.